Thanks, man.
No problem, brother.
Officer, that man has drugs and drug paraphernalia. See?
Wow, I received... Never mind.
Come in.
I received tips that you have naughty things. May I come in?
You weren't doing anything without a warrant, boy. I have my rights.
Shucks.
Hey, homie.
I need a warrant.
Do you have probable cause?
I received an anonymous tip that Cody Culligan had in his possession drugs and drug-related items.
That's probable cause. Did you try searching his house before obtaining a warrant?
But he refused to search and yelled something about having rights. Stupid hippie.
That's true. According to the Fourth Amendment to the Constitution, no one may search or seize any of your property unless you have obtained a search warrant. And even after obtaining the search warrant, you have to specifically say what you're searching for. In this case, drugs. Even if you find, say, an illegal Uzi, you would have to come back and obtain another warrant from me, asking to seize the weapon.
So he was right about having rights. I thought his brain was just fried on all those drugs.
That may be true, but he was correct about having specific rights. Anyways, okay, here you go.
Time to go bust a druggie.
Come in. What's the password?
Vernon County Sheriff's Department. I have a search warrant for the residence of Cody Culligan.
Nah. Well, I suppose. Come in.
Holy Moses! Well, looks like you were going to the slammer. You gotta come with me, buddy.
No thanks.
Save the trees, man. The government's a conspiracy.
Freaking tree hugger. That quack should be locked up. This hippie should be thrown in the slammer along with his anti-government ideals and his hippy-dippy pot advocating self.
I agree. Don't worry, you concerned citizen. I'll discard of this menace to society. Ah, yes. Is there a man by the name of Joe Blow residing here?
Yeah, man. I'm Joe Blow.
Officer, I would appreciate it if I could come in and have a look-see at your place. Mr. Blow, I've received tips from a concerned citizen.
Nah, man. I'd rather you didn't.
Too bad, tree hugger. I'm coming in, whether you like it or not. Holy Moses! You must be the Jolly Green Giant. I've never seen so much green in all my years as officer.
You can't just walk in my house like it's nothing, man. This is private property.
Actually, I can do whatever I please. It's not like you have rights or anything.
No, you can't do this to me. This isn't fair.
What are you doing?
Why would you do that?
What did I do?
Move your foot and look what you stepped on.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
You imbecile, you ruined everything.
I don't know what else to say. I'm sorry.
Bang!
I'm dead.
Mr. Pimpson proceeds to call 911 and reports that a man has came into his yard and shot his wife.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, someone just shot my wife.
I'll send an ambulance now.
Thank you.
Few days have passed by, and reports have been made to the police that they had heard Mr. Pimpson yelling at his wife in their backyard and a gunshot following.
So, Mr. Pimpson,
heard that you have had some predicaments with your wife, some arguments, they say, and the neighbors have heard a gunshot.
Yes.
Can you explain what you were doing at this time?
Oh, I was in my garden.
Oh, where your wife's body was found.
Yeah. I was
Very
in my
interesting.
garden after I found her.
Oh, so you just left her lay there?
No.
Oh. Well, Mr. Pimpson, I'm gonna have to take you into custody to do some more examination, some more investigating.
Okay.
So, get up. I'm going to slam.
Mr. Pinson refuses to answer questions and is put on trial. What?
Yep. Now we gotta do the courtroom scene.
Alright, I gotta re-say that. Mr. Pimpson refuses to answer questions and is put on trial. So, Mr. Pimpson, how do you plead against your case?
I plead innocent.
There's more than enough evidence that Mr. Pimpson indeed did murder his wife.
This man is not guilty. There's not enough evidence to prove anything.
I'm guilty. Alright,
Yeah.
Mr. Pimpson is innocent.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the end of that scene.
Mr. Pimpson, you have been found not guilty of murdering your wife.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
And he's a few minutes later.
A few months later,
Knock, knock, knock. Excuse me, Mr. Pimpson, but you are going to have to come with me.
What are you talking about?
You are under arrest for murdering your wife. We found more evidence. Sorry, Brock.
Well, that freaking sucks.
Mr. Pimpson, welcome back. You son of a gun. Guess what we found, buddy?
More evidence?
Bingo. We found out that you paid off some of the jury, and now I'm going to make this quick and send you straight to prison. How does that make you feel?
Terrible.
I sure hope so. Well, let's cut to the chase, Mr. Pimpson. I found you guilty for the murder of your wife and sent you to 20 life sentences in prison. Good luck, brother.
Hi, my name is Benedict Arnold, America's biggest trader. I'm here to tell you a story. Once upon a time in Las Vegas, LeBron James was in a casino strengthening his fingers so that he could get better, or could play basketball better.
Hi, I'm LeBron James. I like gambling. If you have a gambling problem like me, you can call 1-800-BETS-OFF.
LeBron was having a hard time because he wasn't winning any money. He doesn't really need money because he's loaded, but he needs to feel important.
That's right.
So LeBron decides to steal some money. Unfortunately, he stupidly told his friend Ryan Seacrest his plan. Ryan didn't like that.
Hey Ryan, Seacrest, who I'm weirdly friends with. I'm going to steal some money.
No, LeBron, my basketball playing friend, you can't do this. It's illegal. I'll call the police.
So he calls the police, who just happens to be the actor Mel Gibson.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, there will be an attorney appointed to you before the state. You understand your rights.
Yes.
After a lot of struggle, Mel got LeBron into handcuffs and to the nearest police station. There, LeBron got a court date. At the trial, he meets his judge, Jennifer Lopez.
I call this trial a session.
The trial went on for 4 days and 6.5 nights. Eventually, Jennifer Lopez found LeBron James guilty of stealing $26.5 bajillion.
I find LeBron James guilty of stealing a ton of money and being an idiot in general. What do you guys think we should do with him?
We should shoot him in the leg.
Yeah, let's do that.
No! According to the 8th Amendment, we cannot give him cruel or unusual punishment. That being said, I sent him to 1.5 hours in federal prison. This trial is adjourned.
No!
1.5 hours.
One.
Now, I will tell you the same story, but with a different ending. Let's see what happens when the accused can be punished in any way the judge sees fit. Once upon a time, in Las Vegas, LeBron James was in a casino strengthening his fingers so he could play basketball better.
Hi, I'm LeBron. I like gambling. If you have a gambling problem like me, you can call 1-800-BETS-OFF.
LeBron was having a hard time because he wasn't winning any money. He didn't really need money because he was loaded, but he needed to feel important.
That's right.
So LeBron decided to steal some money. Unfortunately, he stupidly told his friend Ryan Seacrest his plan. Ryan didn't like that.
Hey, Ryan Seacrest, who I'm weirdly friends with, I'm going to steal some money.
No, LeBron, my basketball playing friend, you can't do that. It's illegal. I'll call the police.
So he calls the police, who just happens to be the actor Mel Gibson.
If the right to remain silent, anything you say or do can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot find an attorney, there will be an attorney appointed to you by the state. You understand your rights.
After a lot of struggle, Mel got LeBron into handcuffs into the nearest police station. There, LeBron got a court date. At the trial, he meets his judge, Jennifer Lopez.
I call this trial to session.
The trial went on for 4 days and 6.5 nights. Eventually, Jennifer Lopez found LeBron James guilty of stealing $26.5 bajillion.
I find LeBron James guilty of stealing a ton of money and being an idiot in general. What do you guys think we should do with him?
We should shoot him in the leg.
Yeah, let's do that.
So Ryan Seacrest shot LeBron in the left leg 21 times.
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Well, there's no law against this, so whatever. The trial is adjourned.